So to install this floor liner, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just put it down here, but there is something that you have to pay attention to. Not only does it have to line up with the seat so it doesn't get in the way of the seat rails, but very important is that it does not interfere with the accelerator pedal. So you can see right now the accelerator pedal goes down and gets stuck on it. That is because this liner is not positioned properly. You want to either have it more forward towards the pedals so that when you press the pedal it hits this floor liner and it cannot get stuck underneath, or you pull it back and then it clears the floor liner. It's very important to do this because you do not want to be driving down the road and have that accelerator pedal get stuck underneath this floor mat. So make sure it's positioned properly, pull it back, double check the pedal, make sure that it's not interfering with it, and then you should be good to go. Obviously on the passenger side, you don't have to worry about that. So you just line it up, put it in, and off you go.